In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download your old Twitch streams or VODs, whatever you want to call them. First things first, make sure you have the settings correct. Go ahead and log into your Twitch account. Click on your channel image here to get to your settings. Go down to Account Settings. Once under Account Settings, on the top here, you want to go to Channel and Videos. And then once under Channel and Videos, you want to go over to Stream on the sidebar under the settings. It'll be about midway down the page. And you want to make sure that you have this enabled, Store Past Broadcast. That needs to be enabled. And then you want to make sure that you have this checked as well, where you will auto or always publish your VODs. That means when you end a stream, it'll auto publish that as a VOD saved to your channel. Now, with the new storage limit put in place, you may want to download your old streams so they don't get lost for eternity. So in order to do that, what you want to do now is once you're here under the Creator Dashboard, and in order to get here, you click on your little channel icon in the upper right-hand corner. Again, go to Account Settings, and then you'll see everything over here. If we go to Channel and Videos, the sidebar will pop up. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to where you see Content, select Content, and then go to Video Producer. You will now see a list of all of your streams. If you have that prior setting enabled, where you have your VODs right here, you can sort them by created date, you can sort them by size, whatever you want. And then what you want to do is you want to go over here and click the 3 vertical dots that line up with the one you want to download. Click those, and then you can just go ahead and click download, and it'll prepare and automatically download that video. This goes for highlights, full VODs, clips, anything. They'll all be right here. There is a new 100-hour storage limit for highlights and uploads. For a lot of people, it will not affect them, but for others, it will. So you may want to go here and download. So just go through, click the 3 dots, download the ones you want to download. That way, if you do reach that limit, you'll have that saved somewhere on a hard drive. If you have any questions, put those down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.